Cybersecurity skill development right now is all over the place. Hands-on training, especially if you're doing internally, takes a lot of time to build. And so a lot of companies simply don't have the resources to create hands-on, realistic environments and challenges for their employees to go through. And so what they resort to is simply kind of lecture-based, video-based training, and that's simply not enough.
The current format of those traditional learning methods doesn't really fit with the modern security team. So modern security teams are understaffed, they're super busy, and they don't have, an afternoon to dedicate to skill development or training all the time.
We're different as a continuous cybersecurity learning platform because our content is really engaging, it's really fun, and it's really effective. Our training is gamified. It's really difficult for people to stop learning once they start.
We were hearing over and over again, some of the favorite parts about using the SkillBit Labs platform is that teams can jump in over lunch, they can jump in between meetings, and they can get something done. Individuals that interact with our platform can learn a lot about cybersecurity by going through these hands-on scenarios that are bite-sized. So they should be able to log in and in 20 minutes, get something done, learn something new.
The intention of CTF challenges is to break up different concepts into smaller tasks. So companies can jump in, do something for 20 minutes, for 15 minutes in a break, learn a new skill. And not only do they come back with some hands-on real world practice, that work they've put in is also recorded and then visible in their profile. It's visible to the company. They're able to see where they are, where they need to be, and what they need to do in order to get there. And they can get there in these kind of 20-minute increments.
Our mission at SkillBit is to help companies see their team's capabilities and have a really clear picture of what skills do we have, what kind of capabilities do we have, where are the areas of opportunity to expand those capabilities.
One thing I'll tell CISOs is that we can bring visibility into their cybersecurity training. We can show the skills that their employees have and help them identify skill gaps.
What we hope is that when companies encounter any sort of talent or skill-related challenge within their business, that they think of us first.
SkillBit is still the same company as MetaCTF. I think we're just telling the world that we do so much more than just CTFs. We have cyber ranges, we have a skills platform, we have a lot of different services that we offer, but we're still keeping kind of the same learning model as we did when we were MetaCTF.
It's business as usual. It's more of the same. The things that you loved about MetaCTF are gonna persist. It's gonna continue. There's just gonna be more that we can help with.
Tools and best practices are changing daily. AI has thrown a wrench into this field. New vulnerabilities are being discovered daily, and companies that aren't upskilling their talent are going to be left behind.
Corporate cyber teams should choose SkillBit because we're going to fit the way that their team works the best in terms of talent development and talent assessment. We'll fit into their work schedule and we will meet them where they are in terms of capabilities, assessment, development.